How do I cancel my Rocket Money account? Have you ever been frustrated with your finances? Maybe you've been struggling to keep track of your spending, or you've been hit with unexpected fees. If so, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world are looking for ways to save money and take control of their finances. One popular tool that many people use to help them with their finances is Rocket Money. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you track your spending, find ways to save money, and negotiate better deals. But what if you're not happy with Rocket Money? Maybe you're not getting the results you expected, or maybe you're just looking for something different. If you're thinking about canceling your Rocket Money account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Rocket Money account in a few simple steps. I'll also provide you with some alternative options if you're looking for a different personal finance app. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about why you might want to cancel your Rocket Money account. There are a few reasons why people might choose to cancel their account, including: you're not getting the results you expected. If you're not happy with the amount of money you're saving or the deals you're getting, you may want to consider canceling your account. You're looking for something different. There are a lot of great personal finance apps out there, so you may want to explore your options and find one that better meets your needs. You're having technical problems. If you're experiencing technical problems with Rocket Money, you may want to cancel your account and try a different app. You're no longer using the app. If you haven't used Rocket Money in a while, you may want to cancel your account to free up some space on your device. How to cancel your Rocket Money account. If you're ready to cancel your Rocket Money account, here are the steps you need to follow. Open the Rocket Money app. Tap on the Settings tab. Tap on the Account tab. Tap on the Cancel Account button. Confirm that you want to cancel your account. Once you've confirmed your cancellation, your Rocket Money account will be deleted. You will no longer have access to your data or be able to use the app. If you're looking for a different personal finance app, here are a few options that you may want to consider. Mint. Mint is a free personal finance app that helps you track your spending, create budgets, and save money. Inab. Inab is a paid personal finance app that helps you track your spending and save money using the 50/30/20 method. Pocketsmith. Pocketsmith is a paid personal finance app that helps you track your spending, create budgets, and invest your money. Truebill. Truebill is a free personal finance app that helps you negotiate better deals on your bills and subscriptions. Honeydew. Honeydew is a free personal finance app that helps you track your spending and save money as a couple. If you're not happy with Rocket Money, you can cancel your account in a few simple steps. There are also a number of other great personal finance apps available, so you're sure to find one that meets your needs. If you're thinking about canceling your Rocket Money account, I encourage you to do your research and find the best app for you. I also encourage you to leave a comment below and let me know what your experience with Rocket Money has been. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I also encourage you to share this video with your friends and family. Be sure to back up your data before canceling your Rocket Money account. Consider using a different email address when creating your new account. Read the terms and conditions of any new app you sign up for. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.